Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine. During these days, we Indians are missing one thing badly, which is our favorite street foods. I have already uploaded some famous street foods like golgappe, chole bhature, kachori, chicken momos, etc. And today I will show you 3 tasty chaat recipes which you can quickly make at home. So let's get started. My first chaat recipe is chana chaat. Now for any kind of chaats, tamarind or imli chutney is a must. So we'll start making the tamarind chutney first. For that, heat a pan and add a small bowl of grated jaggery. Add 1 tablespoon of water and now keep on stirring till the jaggery dissolves completely. This is tamarind pulp, around 2 tablespoons. Add this along with the jaggery. Mix well. Next goes 2 tablespoons of tomato chili sauce. And now we'll season the sauce with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Now give everything a nice mix. Add a little bit of water if required. Keep on stirring until the sauce slightly thickens like this. So our tamarind chutney is done. Now turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. Now we will start making our chana chaat. For that, take a bowl and add 1 cup of kala chana or Bengal gram. I have boiled the chana in the pressure cooker. Along with the kali chana, I'll be also adding 1 cup of boiled Kabuli chana. Next goes some chopped tomatoes, some chopped onions. This is beaten sweet yogurt or dahi. Adding 3 large tablespoons of it. Next goes the tamarind chutney. You can increase or decrease the dahi and tamarind chutney according to your preference. Next goes some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. And now we'll season the chaat with half teaspoon of salt as per taste, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, less than 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. And now give everything a good mix. This is a very healthy chaat as both the kala chana and Kabuli chana are a good source of protein and iron and helps to regulate the blood sugar level. Mixing is done and now I am going to serve my chana chaat. And here goes my chatpata chana chaat in the bowl. I'll add some more tamarind chutney on top. Some more chopped onions and coriander leaves. Some bhujia save. And some more sweet dahi. That's it. So friends, do try this chatpata, tasty and healthy chana chaat. And now we will move on to our next chaat recipe. The second one is masala corn chaat, which is very quick and easy to make. So let's start with the making process. So here I have taken a bowl of sweet corns and now I am going to steam them. Boil some water in a vessel or saucepan. Place a colander on top of it. Now add the sweet corns in the colander and steam for 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes and the sweet corns are steamed properly. And now we will start making the corn chaat. So here goes some chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes, some chopped capsicum, 1 tablespoon of butter, half teaspoon of salt as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala powder, juice of lemon around 1 teaspoon, some chopped fresh coriander leaves. Now with the help of a spoon and fork, give a good mix to all the ingredients so that everything combines well. So mixing is done and now I am going to serve the chaat in a bowl. So my corn chaat is ready. I will garnish with some more chopped fresh coriander leaves and some chili flakes if you prefer spiciness like me. So do try this chatpata corn chaat recipe. And now let's move on to our third chaat recipe. My third chaat recipe is aloo chaat, which is everyone's favorite. So let's quickly start with the making process. I have taken here 2 large potatoes boiled and now I'm going to slice the boiled potatoes in this way. So slicing is done. So here are the boiled potatoes which has been sliced and now we need to season them with some salt around half teaspoon as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder. Now give a good mix with the help of your hands so that all the masalas coat well with the potatoes. And now we need to fry the potatoes. For that, heat some refined oil in a pan and when the oil is hot enough, add the sliced potatoes coated with the masala. And we need to fry them until they are deep golden brown on all the sides. You need to fry the potatoes on medium flame for at least 7 to 8 minutes until they turn golden brown like this. And now I'm going to take them off. So here are the fried potatoes or aloo and now I will start making my aloo chaat. Take a serving bowl. Now add the fried aloo in the bowl. This is beaten sweet yogurt or dahi. I have added 1 teaspoon of sugar and whisked the dahi well. Add the dahi on top. Next goes some tamarind chutney. You can increase or decrease according to your preference. Some chopped onions. Sprinkle some black salt, chaat masala powder, some red chili powder, some finely chopped coriander leaves, and some bhujia on top. So my yummy aloo chaat is ready to be enjoyed. So friends, do try these 3 tasty chaat recipes. Also share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.